we are following the state of the consumer as a number of retailers report quarterly results this week. And there seems to be a split of late between those who say the consumer is strong and spending and those who see signs of a crack related to inflation. Now, just today, Abercrombie & Fitch posted its strongest first quarter ever, with sales jumping 22%. Meanwhile, Dick's Sporting Goods raising its outlook for the year. The company's comparable sales rose more than double what Wall Street had predicted. The company attributing growth to increased transactions. More customers are shopping at Dick's and average ticket size. Shoppers are also spending more on that front. Now, Chewy, yeah, we're the pets. They're getting a little love. They also beat expectations and saw a nearly 10% jump in sales per active customer. And just 2 weeks ago, Yahoo Finance spoke with the CFO of Walmart, John David Rainey, after that retailer's quarterly results. And he touted strength in the consumer despite admittedly stretched wallets. Take a look.
The consumer has been relatively consistent. We are, like everyone else, is looking for if there's something there, something that we should be more aware of, but they've been pretty consistent quarter to quarter here. We see that wallets are still stretched. They're still looking for value. They're still using discretion with buying those higher income items.
Okay, so caution, yet still upbeat here. One of the other upbeat signs, consumer confidence rose in May after 3 prior consecutive declines. Now, on the flip side, inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, with elevated shelter and energy costs impacting where else we may spend. Consumers are still paying higher prices as well for food, which is translating into increasing offerings of value menus at fast food joints like Wendy's, McDonald's, you know the deal, Taco Bell, Burger King, where you rule. Meat giants Tyson, they projected a weaker third quarter and signaled a challenging environment for under-pressure consumers. Elsewhere, we're seeing a pullback on DIY projects. Companies like Lowe's, their customers pulled back on big-ticket purchases in the first quarter. Oh yeah, the Home Depot, their CEO, citing softness in larger discretionary projects. And finally, we got to talk a little Target. They missed the mark in their quarterly report, and CEO Brian Cornell said the biggest challenges shoppers are facing is inflation in food and household essentials, saying inflation is putting a strain on the consumer wallet.